Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dalam berbagai situasi yang berbeda. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris kamu akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Baiklah, mari langsung saja kita mulai.
What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word?
Apa arti dari kata ini?
Let me check the dictionary for you. Let me check the dictionary for you.
Biar aku cek di kamus untukmu.
I think it has more than one meaning. I think it has more than one meaning.
Menurutku itu memiliki lebih dari satu arti.
Yes, some words can have different meanings. Yes, some words can have different meanings.
Ya, beberapa kata bisa punya arti berbeda.
Can you use it in a sentence? Can you use it in a sentence?
Bisakah kamu menggunakannya dalam sebuah kalimat?
Sure, I will make a simple example. Sure, I will make a simple example.
Tentu, aku akan membuat contoh sederhana.
That really helps me understand better. That really helps me understand better.
Itu sangat membantuku memahami lebih baik.
Great, learning new words is always useful. Great, learning new words is always useful.
Bagus, belajar kata baru selalu berguna.
I agree, vocabulary improves communication skills. I agree, vocabulary improves communication skills.
Aku setuju, kosakata meningkatkan keterampilan komunikasi.
Yes, keep practicing and learning every day. Yes, keep practicing and learning every day.
Ya, terus berlatih dan belajar setiap hari.
My phone battery is low again. My phone battery is low again.
Baterai ponselku habis lagi.
You should charge it right now. You should charge it right now.
Kamu harus mengisi dayanya sekarang.
I forgot my charger at home. I forgot my charger at home.
Aku lupa membawa chargerku dari rumah.
Maybe I have an extra charger. Maybe I have an extra charger.
Mungkin aku punya charger cadangan.
That would be really helpful, thanks. That would be really helpful, thanks.
Itu akan sangat membantu, terima kasih.
Let me check inside my bag. Let me check inside my bag.
Biar aku cek di dalam tasku.
Do you need a fast charger? Do you need a fast charger?
Apakah kamu butuh charger cepat?
Yes, a fast one would be great. Yes, a fast one would be great.
Ya, yang cepat akan sangat bagus.
Here you go, you can use this. Here you go, you can use this.
Ini dia, kamu bisa memakai ini.
Thanks a lot, you saved me. Thanks a lot, you saved me.
Terima kasih banyak, kamu menyelamatkanku.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Sama-sama.
I have a small request to ask of you today. I have a small request to ask of you today.
Saya punya permintaan kecil untukmu hari ini.
What is the request you want to make now? What is the request you want to make now?
Kamu ada permintaan apa?
Can you help me carry these books to my room? Can you help me carry these books to my room?
Bisakah kamu membantu saya membawa buku-buku ini ke kamar saya?
Are those books heavy? Are those books heavy?
Apakah buku-buku itu berat?
Yes. I believe it will only take a few minutes. Yes. I believe it will only take a few minutes.
Ya, saya percaya ini hanya akan memakan beberapa menit.
All right then. I am sure I can help you with it. All right then. I am sure I can help you with it.
Baiklah, saya yakin saya bisa membantu dengan itu.
I hope so. These books are too heavy for me. I hope so. These books are too heavy for me.
Saya harap begitu, buku-buku ini terlalu berat untuk saya.
Just let me know if you have more requests later. Just let me know if you have more requests later.
Beritahu saja saya jika kamu punya permintaan lain nanti.
Thank you. Your kindness makes my day better. Thank you. Your kindness makes my day better.
Terima kasih, kebaikanmu membuat hari saya lebih baik.
No problem at all. Glad I could lend a hand. No problem at all. Glad I could lend a hand.
Tidak masalah sama sekali, senang bisa membantu.
What is the purpose of this meeting? What is the purpose of this meeting?
Apa tujuan dari pertemuan ini?
We need to discuss our new project. We need to discuss our new project.
Kita perlu membahas proyek baru kita.
Is the project already planned properly? Is the project already planned properly?
Apakah proyeknya sudah direncanakan dengan baik?
Not yet. We must finalize some details. Not yet. We must finalize some details.
Belum, kita harus menyelesaikan beberapa detail.
What is my role in this project? What is my role in this project?
Apa peranku dalam proyek ini?
You will handle the marketing strategy. You will handle the marketing strategy.
Kamu akan menangani strategi pemasaran.
That sounds interesting and very challenging. That sounds interesting and very challenging.
Itu terdengar menarik dan sangat menantang.
Yes, but your skills are really useful. Yes, but your skills are really useful.
Ya, tapi keterampilanmu sangat berguna.
All right, I will do my best. All right, I will do my best.
Baiklah, aku akan melakukan yang terbaik.
Great, let's work hard together. Great, let's work hard together.
Bagus, ayo bekerja keras bersama.
How long is the trial period? How long is the trial period?
Berapa lama masa percobaannya?
It usually lasts for 3 months. It usually lasts for 3 months.
Biasanya berlangsung selama 3 bulan.
Can it be extended if needed? Can it be extended if needed?
Bisakah diperpanjang jika diperlukan?
Yes, but only for 1 month. Yes, but only for 1 month.
Ya, tapi hanya untuk 1 bulan.
That should be enough to learn. That should be enough to learn.
Itu seharusnya cukup untuk belajar.
Yes, you will gain experience fast. Yes, you will gain experience fast.
Ya, kamu akan mendapat pengalaman cepat.
Will I get paid during training? Will I get paid during training?
Apakah saya dibayar selama pelatihan?
Yes, but only a small amount. Yes, but only a small amount.
Ya, tapi jumlahnya kecil.
I understand, thanks for explaining everything. I understand, thanks for explaining everything.
Saya mengerti, terima kasih sudah menjelaskan.
You're welcome, let me know if needed. You're welcome, let me know if needed.
Sama-sama, beritahu saya jika perlu.
I need to fill this form now. I need to fill this form now.
Saya perlu mengisi formulir ini sekarang.
What kind of form is that? What kind of form is that?
Formulir seperti apa itu?
It's an application for a new job. It's an application for a new job.
Ini adalah aplikasi untuk pekerjaan baru.
Do you need any help with it? Do you need any help with it?
Apakah kamu butuh bantuan mengisinya?
Yes, some questions are really confusing. Yes, some questions are really confusing.
Ya, beberapa pertanyaannya sangat membingungkan.
Let me check. Which part is difficult? Let me check. Which part is difficult?
Biar saya lihat bagian mana yang sulit.
The experience section is a bit tricky. The experience section is a bit tricky.
Bagian pengalaman agak membingungkan.
Just list all your previous jobs. Just list all your previous jobs.
Cukup tulis semua pekerjaan sebelumnya.
Thanks, I hope I fill it correctly. Thanks, I hope I fill it correctly.
Terima kasih, semoga saya mengisinya dengan benar.
No worries, I'm sure it's fine. No worries, I'm sure it's fine.
Jangan khawatir, saya yakin sudah benar.
Do you think respect is important in life? Do you think respect is important in life?
Apakah kamu pikir rasa hormat itu penting dalam hidup?
Yes, respect helps build good relations. Yes, respect helps build good relations.
Ya, rasa hormat membantu membangun hubungan yang baik.
How can we show respect to our elders? How can we show respect to our elders?
Bagaimana cara kita menunjukkan rasa hormat kepada orang tua?
We can listen and follow their advice. We can listen and follow their advice.
Kita bisa mendengarkan dan mengikuti nasihat mereka.
Is respect something we should earn or give? Is respect something we should earn or give?
Apakah rasa hormat adalah sesuatu yang harus kita dapatkan atau berikan?
I think it is both earned and given freely. I think it is both earned and given freely.
Saya pikir itu adalah sesuatu yang didapatkan dan diberikan secara bebas.
What happens if we lose respect for someone? What happens if we lose respect for someone?
Apa yang terjadi jika kita kehilangan rasa hormat kepada seseorang?
Trust and connection may start to fade away. Trust and connection may start to fade away.
Kepercayaan dan hubungan mungkin mulai memudar.
Can respect improve our daily interactions? Can respect improve our daily interactions?
Bisakah rasa hormat meningkatkan interaksi kita sehari-hari?
Definitely, it creates a positive atmosphere. Definitely, it creates a positive atmosphere.
Tentu saja, ini menciptakan suasana yang positif.
I think I meet all the requirements. I think I meet all the requirements.
Saya rasa saya memenuhi semua persyaratan.
That's great, you should apply then. That's great, you should apply then.
Bagus sekali kalau begitu kamu harus melamar.
I will submit my application today. I will submit my application today.
Saya akan mengirimkan lamaran saya hari ini.
Good luck with your application. Good luck with your application.
Semoga berhasil dengan lamaranmu.
Thank you for the information. Thank you for the information.
Terima kasih atas informasinya.
You're welcome, I hope you get the job. You're welcome, I hope you get the job.
Sama-sama, saya harap kamu mendapatkan pekerjaan itu.
I am excited about this opportunity. I am excited about this opportunity.
Saya sangat antusias dengan kesempatan ini.
I'm sure you will do well in the interview. I'm sure you will do well in the interview.
Saya yakin kamu akan melakukannya dengan baik dalam wawancara.
I will prepare myself for the interview. I will prepare myself for the interview.
Saya akan mempersiapkan diri untuk wawancara.
That's the spirit, good luck again. That's the spirit, good luck again.
Itu semangatnya, semoga berhasil lagi.
I'm not sure if I'll fit in at my new job. I'm not sure if I'll fit in at my new job.
Aku tidak yakin apakah aku akan cocok di pekerjaan baruku.
Don't worry, they'll help you adjust quickly. Don't worry, they'll help you adjust quickly.
Jangan khawatir, mereka akan membantumu menyesuaikan diri dengan cepat.
I hope so, I'm a bit nervous about the team. I hope so, I'm a bit nervous about the team.
Aku harap begitu, aku sedikit gugup tentang timnya.
It's natural to feel that way at first. It's natural to feel that way at first.
Itu wajar merasa begitu di awal.
Yes, I just want to fit in and contribute. Yes, I just want to fit in and contribute.
Ya, aku hanya ingin merasa diterima dan memberi kontribusi.
Just be yourself, they will appreciate that. Just be yourself, they will appreciate that.
Jadilah dirimu sendiri, mereka akan menghargainya.
I'll try my best to fit in with everyone. I'll try my best to fit in with everyone.
Aku akan berusaha sebaik mungkin untuk cocok dengan semua orang.
That's the right attitude. It will work out. That's the right attitude. It will work out.
Itu sikap yang tepat, semuanya akan berjalan lancar.
Thanks, I'm looking forward to getting along with them. Thanks, I'm looking forward to getting along with them.
Terima kasih, aku berharap bisa bergaul dengan mereka.
I'm sure you'll fit in perfectly in no time. I'm sure you'll fit in perfectly in no time.
Aku yakin kamu akan cocok dengan mereka dalam waktu singkat.
I think you missed the main point. I think you missed the main point.
Saya pikir kamu melewatkan poin utamanya.
What exactly do you mean by that? What exactly do you mean by that?
Apa maksudmu dengan itu?
The key idea was about saving time. The key idea was about saving time.
Ide utamanya adalah tentang menghemat waktu.
I thought it was about money. I thought it was about money.
Saya kira itu tentang uang.
No, the discussion focused on efficiency. No, the discussion focused on efficiency.
Tidak, diskusinya berfokus pada efisiensi.
So how can we apply this in life? So how can we apply this in life?
Jadi bagaimana kita menerapkannya dalam hidup?
Start by planning your daily schedule. Start by planning your daily schedule.
Mulailah dengan merencanakan jadwal harianmu.
That sounds like a good starting place. That sounds like a good starting place.
Itu terdengar seperti awal yang baik.
Small changes often make a big difference. Small changes often make a big difference.
Perubahan kecil sering membuat perbedaan besar.
I'll try to focus on that from now on. I'll try to focus on that from now on.
Saya akan mencoba fokus pada itu mulai sekarang.
I need to shed some weight before the summer. I need to shed some weight before the summer.
Aku perlu menurunkan berat badan sebelum musim panas.
That's a good goal. How will you do it? That's a good goal. How will you do it?
Itu tujuan yang baik. Bagaimana kamu akan melakukannya?
I plan to exercise more and eat healthier. I plan to exercise more and eat healthier.
Aku berencana untuk lebih sering berolahraga dan makan lebih sehat.
That sounds like a great plan. You can do it. That sounds like a great plan. You can do it.
Itu terdengar seperti rencana yang bagus, kamu pasti bisa.
I'm also thinking about shedding some bad habits. I'm also thinking about shedding some bad habits.
Aku juga berpikir untuk menghilangkan kebiasaan buruk.
That will help a lot. It's a good start. That will help a lot. It's a good start.
Itu akan sangat membantu, itu awal yang baik.
Yes, getting rid of unhealthy routines is key. Yes, getting rid of unhealthy routines is key.
Ya, menghilangkan rutinitas yang tidak sehat itu adalah kuncinya.
Absolutely. It will make you feel better overall. Absolutely. It will make you feel better overall.
Tentu, itu akan membuatmu merasa lebih baik secara keseluruhan.
I'm ready for the challenge, thanks for your support. I'm ready for the challenge, thanks for your support.
Aku siap untuk tantangan ini, terima kasih atas dukungannya.
You're welcome, I'm sure you'll succeed. You're welcome, I'm sure you'll succeed.
Sama-sama, aku yakin kamu akan berhasil.
I lost your contact details, can you resend them? I lost your contact details, can you resend them?
Aku kehilangan detail kontakmu, bisa kirimkan lagi?
Of course, I'll send them to you right now. Of course, I'll send them to you right now.
Tentu aku akan mengirimkannya segera.
Thank you. I need to get in touch with you later. Thank you. I need to get in touch with you later.
Terima kasih, aku perlu menghubungimu nanti.
No problem, feel free to contact me anytime. No problem, feel free to contact me anytime.
Tidak masalah, hubungi aku kapan saja.
I'll save your contact in my phone right away. I'll save your contact in my phone right away.
Aku akan menyimpan kontakmu di ponselku sekarang juga.
That's a good idea, it's easier to reach each other. That's a good idea, it's easier to reach each other.
Itu ide yang bagus, lebih mudah untuk saling menghubungi.
Yes, I often forget to save numbers right away. Yes, I often forget to save numbers right away.
Ya, aku sering lupa untuk segera menyimpan nomor.
It happens to everyone, don't worry about it. It happens to everyone, don't worry about it.
Itu terjadi pada setiap orang, jangan khawatirkan itu.
Now we can stay in touch whenever needed. Now we can stay in touch whenever needed.
Sekarang kita bisa tetap berhubungan kapan saja diperlukan.
Absolutely, it's good to stay connected. Absolutely, it's good to stay connected.
Tentu saja tetap terhubung itu baik.
I really appreciate your support during this project. I really appreciate your support during this project.
Saya sangat menghargai dukunganmu selama proyek ini.
I'm happy to help. It was a team effort. I'm happy to help. It was a team effort.
Senang bisa membantu, ini adalah usaha tim.
It made a big difference, everything went smoothly. It made a big difference, everything went smoothly.
Itu membuat perbedaan besar, semuanya berjalan lancar.
I'm glad to hear that. We worked hard. I'm glad to hear that. We worked hard.
Saya senang mendengarnya, kita bekerja keras.
Yes, and I couldn't have done it alone. Yes, and I couldn't have done it alone.
Ya, dan saya tidak bisa melakukannya sendirian.
You were amazing. Your ideas were valuable. You were amazing. Your ideas were valuable.
Kamu luar biasa, ide-idemu sangat berharga.
Thanks, your encouragement kept me motivated. Thanks, your encouragement kept me motivated.
Terima kasih, doronganmu membuat saya tetap termotivasi.
We make a great team, don't we? We make a great team, don't we?
Kita membuat tim yang hebat, bukan?
Absolutely, we should collaborate again soon. Absolutely, we should collaborate again soon.
Tentu, kita harus bekerja sama lagi segera.
I look forward to it, it's always fun. I look forward to it, it's always fun.
Saya menantikannya, itu selalu menyenangkan.
I need to think about my plans for next year. I need to think about my plans for next year.
Saya perlu memikirkan rencana saya untuk tahun depan.
Why do you want to think about it now? Why do you want to think about it now?
Kenapa kamu ingin memikirkannya sekarang?
I think it is important to plan things early. I think it is important to plan things early.
Saya pikir penting untuk merencanakan hal-hal lebih awal.
Do you think your plans will change later on? Do you think your plans will change later on?
Apakah menurutmu rencanamu akan berubah nanti?
Yes, I believe some things might not work out. Yes, I believe some things might not work out.
Ya, saya percaya beberapa hal mungkin tidak berhasil.
That is normal, just think about the best options. That is normal, just think about the best options.
Itu normal, coba pikirkan opsi terbaiknya saja.
I hope so. I really want to make good decisions. I hope so. I really want to make good decisions.
Saya harap begitu, saya benar-benar ingin membuat keputusan yang baik.
Just take your time and think carefully. Just take your time and think carefully.
Luangkan waktumu dan pikirkan dengan hati-hati.
Thank you. Your advice helps me feel more calm. Thank you. Your advice helps me feel more calm.
Terima kasih, sarannya membantu saya merasa lebih tenang.
You are welcome. I am happy to support you. You are welcome. I am happy to support you.
Sama-sama, saya senang mendukungmu.
I received a free sample of a new coffee brand. I received a free sample of a new coffee brand.
Saya menerima sampel gratis dari merek kopi baru.
What do you think about the sample so far? What do you think about the sample so far?
Apa pendapatmu tentang sampel itu sejauh ini?
The sample tastes good and it is very strong too. The sample tastes good and it is very strong too.
Sampelnya terasa enak dan juga sangat kuat.
Do you think you will buy this coffee after the sample? Do you think you will buy this coffee after the sample?
Apakah menurutmu kamu akan membeli kopi ini setelah mencoba sampelnya?
Yes, I believe I will try the full pack soon. Yes, I believe I will try the full pack soon.
Ya, saya yakin saya akan mencoba paket lengkapnya segera.
That is great. I am sure you will enjoy the coffee. That is great. I am sure you will enjoy the coffee.
Itu bagus. Saya yakin kamu akan menikmati kopinya.
I hope so. The sample made me really curious now. I hope so. The sample made me really curious now.
Saya harap begitu. Sampelnya membuat saya sangat penasaran sekarang.
Just check the price before you buy the full pack. Just check the price before you buy the full pack.
Cek dulu harganya sebelum beli paket lengkapnya.
Thank you. Your advice is very useful for me. Thank you. Your advice is very useful for me.
Terima kasih, sarannya sangat berguna untuk saya.
You are welcome. I am happy to help you out. You are welcome. I am happy to help you out.
Sama-sama, saya senang bisa membantu.
I feel such a relief after finishing my project. I feel such a relief after finishing my project.
Saya merasa sangat lega setelah menyelesaikan proyek saya.
Why were you so worried about the project? Why were you so worried about the project?
Kenapa kamu begitu khawatir tentang proyek itu?
The deadline was very close and I worked hard. The deadline was very close and I worked hard.
Batas waktunya sudah sangat dekat dan saya bekerja keras.
Do you think this relief will last for long? Do you think this relief will last for long?
Apakah menurutmu rasa lega ini akan bertahan lama?
Yes, I believe I can relax for a few days now. Yes, I believe I can relax for a few days now.
Ya, saya yakin saya bisa bersantai selama beberapa hari sekarang.
That is good. I am sure you deserve the relief. That is good. I am sure you deserve the relief.
Itu bagus. Saya yakin kamu pantas mendapatkan rasa lega itu.
I hope so. I really need this moment of relief. I hope so. I really need this moment of relief.
Saya harap begitu. Saya benar-benar butuh saat-saat lega ini.
Just enjoy your time and do not stress too much. Just enjoy your time and do not stress too much.
Nikmatilah waktumu dan jangan terlalu stres.
Thank you. Your words make me feel even better. Thank you. Your words make me feel even better.
Terima kasih, kata-katamu membuatku merasa lebih baik lagi.
You are welcome. I am happy to see you smile. You are welcome. I am happy to see you smile.
Sama-sama, saya senang melihatmu tersenyum.
Do you enjoy cooking at home? Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Apakah kamu suka memasak di rumah?
Yes, I love cooking, and my favorite dish to make is pasta. Yes, I love cooking, and my favorite dish to make is pasta.
Ya, saya suka memasak, dan hidangan favorit saya adalah pasta.
What type of pasta do you make? What type of pasta do you make?
Jenis pasta apa yang kamu buat?
I usually make spaghetti or penne. I usually make spaghetti or penne.
Saya biasanya membuat spaghetti atau penne.
Do you have a secret recipe? Do you have a secret recipe?
Apakah kamu punya resep rahasia?
Yes, I have a special tomato sauce recipe. Yes, I have a special tomato sauce recipe.
Ya, saya punya resep saus tomat yang spesial.
How often do you cook? How often do you cook?
Seberapa sering kamu memasak?
I cook several times a week. I cook several times a week.
Saya memasak beberapa kali dalam seminggu.
Do you enjoy cooking for others? Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Apakah kamu suka memasak untuk orang lain?
Yes, it's fun to share my food. Yes, it's fun to share my food.
Ya, Menyenangkan untuk berbagi makanan saya.
Can you finish this task quickly today? Can you finish this task quickly today?
Bisakah kamu menyelesaikan tugas ini dengan cepat hari ini?
Yes, I'll try to do it fast. Yes, I'll try to do it fast.
Ya, saya akan mencoba melakukannya dengan cepat.
How do you usually work so quickly? How do you usually work so quickly?
Bagaimana caramu biasanya bekerja begitu cepat?
I focus and avoid distractions while working. I focus and avoid distractions while working.
Saya fokus dan menghindari gangguan saat bekerja.
Do you think speed affects the quality? Do you think speed affects the quality?
Apakah menurutmu kecepatan memengaruhi kualitas?
Sometimes, but careful work is still important. Sometimes, but careful work is still important.
Kadang-kadang, tetapi pekerjaan hati-hati tetap penting.
Have you seen someone solve problems quickly? Have you seen someone solve problems quickly?
Pernahkah kamu melihat seseorang menyelesaikan masalah dengan cepat?
Yes, my friend always finds solutions fast. Yes, my friend always finds solutions fast.
Ya, teman saya selalu menemukan solusi dengan cepat.
What's the fastest thing you can do? What's the fastest thing you can do?
Apa hal tercepat yang bisa kamu lakukan?
I can type quickly when I'm focused. I can type quickly when I'm focused.
Saya bisa mengetik cepat saat saya fokus.
I need to organize my desk today. I need to organize my desk today.
Saya perlu merapikan meja saya hari ini.
That sounds like a good plan. That sounds like a good plan.
Itu terdengar seperti rencana yang bagus.
My desk is full of papers and books. My desk is full of papers and books.
Meja saya penuh dengan kertas dan buku.
I know the feeling. It gets messy fast. I know the feeling. It gets messy fast.
Saya tahu perasaan itu. Meja bisa cepat berantakan.
I'll start by sorting through the papers. I'll start by sorting through the papers.
Saya akan mulai dengan menyortir kertas-kertas.
That's a good place to start. That's a good place to start.
Itu tempat yang baik untuk mulai.
I also need to clean my desk surface. I also need to clean my desk surface.
Saya juga perlu membersihkan permukaan meja saya.
A clean desk always helps me focus. A clean desk always helps me focus.
Meja yang bersih selalu membantu saya fokus.
After that, I'll feel more organized. After that, I'll feel more organized.
Setelah itu saya akan merasa lebih teratur.
You'll feel so much better after. You'll feel so much better after.
Kamu pasti akan merasa lebih baik setelahnya.
Do you want to play a game with me? Do you want to play a game with me?
Apakah kamu ingin bermain game dengan saya?
Sure. What game should we play? Sure. What game should we play?
Tentu. Game apa yang akan kita mainkan?
How about a card game? How about a card game?
Bagaimana dengan permainan kartu?
That sounds fun. I love card games. That sounds fun. I love card games.
Itu terdengar menyenangkan. Saya suka permainan kartu.
Great. I'll grab the cards. Great. I'll grab the cards.
Bagus. Saya akan ambil kartu-kartunya.
Let's make sure we have enough players. Let's make sure we have enough players.
Mari pastikan kita punya cukup pemain.
We can play with just the two of us. We can play with just the two of us.
Kita bisa bermain hanya berdua saja.
All right, let's start. I'm excited. All right, let's start. I'm excited.
Baiklah, mari mulai. Saya sangat bersemangat.
I'll shuffle the cards first. I'll shuffle the cards first.
Saya akan mengocok kartu-kartu ini dulu.
Perfect, I'm ready to play now. Perfect, I'm ready to play now.
Sempurna, saya siap bermain sekarang.